Listen, y'all, this video is for educational purposes only. Listen to me very clear before y'all start going at me in the comment section. Listen to me. Listen to me. Everybody that do not agree with this, listen to me. Please, please listen to me. If you do not agree with this, I do not give a fuck. If you get mad at this, I do not give a damn. So long as we make that clear. All right. I'm going to get straight into it because I like to say less and I don't like for my videos to last that long. You dig what I'm saying? My attention span ain't that long. I get to think about some money talking about some niggas. So I just wanted to inform y'all why I made the video, and I wanted to inform y'all the difference. How can't y'all see? And you can't serve two masters. That's like trying to serve God and trying to serve the devil at the same time. They can't coexist in the same place. Why you think you ain't never seen Money Man do a song or do business, far as you know of, with Bandman Kevo? You think he ain't tried? That would have been a good look for Bandman Kevo. You get what I'm saying? But Money Man reminds me of Vlad TV. You can't pay for a Vlad TV interview. I don't think you can pay for a verse from Money Man if you're not solid. He care more about his brand. That's what differentiate the difference between them two. One of them cheesy and one of them is not. So I rather my young finessers that don't believe in working, they believe in getting crypto, they believe in NFTs, they believe in hustling the system, finessing the system, and they believe in that. They find a way out of no way. They refuse to live like a broke man. They got to get money. These are money getting niggas. Right? If you watching this channel, you won, right? But let me tell you the difference. The same reason why you never seen Bandman Kevo on a video or a song with TJ or Kasha Kwan, it'll fuck up his brand. It's levels. So why are y'all asking me or trying to compare these two men? There's no comparison. Now let me break it down. None of this is hating. I can go dollar to dollar with any nigga. So none of this is hating. I got my own shit too. I got my own cars too. But I'm just informing y'all. This is something that a subscriber had asked me. So I said, huh? I got offended. You don't even supposed to put them in the same category. That's like putting a Lamborghini with a Honda. I don't give a fuck. So let's break it down. Bandman Kevo did some time behind scamming. That's not cool. Money Man ain't did a day behind no scamming. That's cool. Y'all get it? Money Man brand right now is fashion, that gas pack, intelligence, and staying low key. And in his music, he give you everything you want and need, and every answer that you have, you just have to listen. He don't do many interviews. He don't spread himself thin. And a lot of apps and stuff that he could take mad advantage of, he refused to. Imagine if Money Man had an OnlyFans. Or on his YouTube channel, he went from a failed rapper to a OnlyFans content creator or somebody giving out knowledge. No, he do it through his music. That's why he's not cheesy. Now, Bandman Kevo made money, but he done the crime to do the time. The whole point is to not get caught. Then when he got out, he made a lot of cheesy moves. But he done the right thing, but the only difference is Money Man moves without the camera. Bandman Kevo move with the camera. But if you got 10 million and you got 10 million, for each his own. It just seemed like Money Man got that 10 million that you sit back and be like, how did he get that? The police don't even look at him. Who cares? This man's solid. And you know not to run up on him. I ain't never seen Money Man get slapped, beat up. I ain't never seen him get in no shootout. Because a man that's steady on shrooms, and a man that stay focused and militant, and he don't make no mistakes, he probably gonna be the same way when it come to warfare. This man playing for warfare every day, all day. He eat right, he do psychedelics. This man is very intelligent. Then you got Bandman Kevo. He got your OnlyFans. Like, for example, for y'all can understand what I'm saying. If Bandman Kevo and Money Man was sitting at their house right now and they both had $10 million. $10 million, right? And a new app came out today. And they say Ruby Rose made 15 million within a week or two of this app. Smart people that made millions. Money Man won't give a fuck about that app, and he'll be doing something that you don't know about. He'll be investing in some type of new crypto that you never heard of. You understand what I'm saying? And he'll be making connections, and then when he get back, he'll make a video and rap about it in his video, or he'll say some shit on an interview. You get what I'm saying? Bandman Kevo gonna document the whole thing. He gonna turn into vlogs, OnlyFans content. He's a content creator, man. Money Man ain't never failed with nothing. When it come to this, he stayed in this lane and stayed there. Bandman Kevo will move in any lane that it is to move, but for each his own. But I just had to make this video, and I ain't gonna keep y'all long. It ain't like I sat down and wrote down their problems and wrote down their net worth. I mind the business that pay me. Bandman Kevo have never gave me no money, neither have Money Man. What am I doing right now? I'm minding the business that pay me. YouTube pay me. Some subscribers had asked me, who should they follow, Money Man or Bandman Kevo? Another guy got very, very detailed. He said, Money Man say fix your credit this way. Bandman said this way. Bandman said you need credit repair letters. Bandman told him $450 for a credit repair letter. He wrote Money Man. Money Man didn't even write back. That ought to tell you the difference. It's a big difference. Now, if you got kids in the room, or you got innocent people in the room, get them out of there. I'll give y'all a couple of seconds, because I'm going to quit just beating around the bush. I'm going to go ahead and break it down. Now, I don't know Money Man. I do not know Bandman Kevo. But all I can do is tell y'all what I think. And my assumptions are so educated and so studied and so freaking put together so well, it's damn near factual. But it's an assumption if I ain't never seen it myself. But going off of the music, going off of me following both of them, me studying both of them, their moves, and that's another thing. If you want to be a basketball player, if LeBron James and Michael Jordan the best, or whoever you think the best, find out how they done it and how they do it and follow behind them. Behind every great man was a great man that led them, whether they knew it or not. You get what I'm saying? I'm motivating somebody right now, whether I know it or not. It's a lot of people that are right in the comment section, you motivate me, or hit you up in the DMs. But it's also a lot of people that won't say a word. You understand? You don't know who you motivating. You don't know where you going out of life. So just to make it simple, this is what I honestly believe. Right now as I sit here, I'm not going to say what state I'm in, what city I'm in right now. I don't know what Money Man or Bandman Kevo at, but I'm just going to tell you what I personally think their life is like. I think Money Man wake up in the morning, do what the fuck he want to do, when the fuck he want to do it, and he got so much cash that we don't know about, and he Gucci, and he preparing himself for the future, and he gonna live till he's old as hell and die of old age and ain't gonna do a day in jail, and he's making connections with the future, meaning the cryptos, the new bud coming out, the new moves, and he doing it under the radar, and he'll let y'all know on the next mixtape, which he just dropped Croptober. You understand what I'm saying? Croptober. It was October. He dropped, talking about the gas. Pay attention. He'll tell you if you're broke, go get you a bag. So why would you write him and say, what would you do if you broke? He'll go get him some reefer. So I think he making connections and growing and got stuff going, and you're gonna hear about him being a billionaire one day in the future, and everybody gonna be wondering, how did this guy that wasn't a little Dirk or wasn't a little baby get this successful out the blue, because y'all weren't paying attention what he was doing. I think with Bandman Kevo, I think he gonna wake up in the morning. I think he's faking a life. That's just my personal thoughts. I think he's faking a life. And if he don't make a certain amount of money this month, he'll fall off forever. I don't think he really know what he be talking about. I think he just found a couple of hustles, and he from Chicago. And instead of getting into that Wooski, FBG Duck shit, instead of getting into that damn Lil Durk, that King Von shit, that Muna Duke shit, that T-Roy shit, that FBG Butter, FYB J-Man shit, he said, I'm going to stay away from all of that. I'm going to do white collar crimes. How you from Chicago and they don't know you on old block of 63rd type shit? So Bandman Kevo done his other shit. He took a whole different path of a geek. It worked out for him, but it sound good. A guy get locked up for 800 something thousand, and he played it perfect. I thought the man was the next Money Man or smarter than Money Man. I really did. Because when he got out, he did a Say Cheese interview. And he was on a jet with more than 800,000 on him. So that showed you that he won. And it pissed off. But he give me a Rollo type of feeling. They like to brag. They like to boast. They like to create content. Even if the content will get you off the street. What is 10 million if you're doing 10 years? That's $1 million a year. Why? For what? But see, one thing I can tell y'all about it. When a guy like me, Bandman, Money Man, or somebody like Rollo, somebody that's known for getting a lot of money, we don't have to worry about nothing in prison. Some of us don't got to worry about nothing regardless. So if you got both, people just going to ask you how you get money. They want any type of money. They know you get money. Then you'll get some fool that try to test you and try to make you get him some money. Then you got to show him what's up. You get what I'm saying? I think Money Man can survive. All right. If Money Man had 10 million and Bandman Kevo had 10 million, they went broke today. I think Money Man in 30 days, he'll have $1 million. I think Bandman Kevo, he'll be broke as hell. Unless he do what he built. And what's that? Connections. He can call CJ So Cool, CJ on 32s. He can hit up big folks. He can hit up Say Cheese. He can hit up anybody and get a, 10,000, 15, 20,000. You dig what I'm saying? That's just how the game work, y'all. So if y'all want a part two, if y'all really want me to have stuff popping across the screen, me showing numbers, me showing exactly the difference between them two, I would love to. But y'all got to get this 5,000 likes. It got to get over 50,000 views. And soon as I get that, I make the part two. You dig what I'm saying? But the part two would be like some Trap Lil Ross type shit. You get what I'm saying? Like, I would make sure that's very, 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 very edited and detailed very perfectly. You get what I'm saying? But like I said, that's the difference. Where did the question come from? About 50 different subscribers wanting the difference. But when one of them told me that Bandman Kevo tried to sell him a letter and showed me the blue check and all of that for $450, no man with all this money even gonna entertain $450. You might fuck around and get my Cash App jammed up. I ain't finna fuck with you. Like, come on, man. Like, come on now. Come on now. Like, I just had to give y'all the knowledge because y'all won't believe. Y'all know because y'all follow money hoarders. Y'all won't believe how many new subscribers come over here because they really put their trust into this other guy or this other man or this other lady, and they come to find out they just finessers. They just been faking. They took your money and ran with it. So people really out here trying to get their money up. They trying to be successful, and people out here scamming them. So if you deal with a person like Money Man, they probably ain't even gonna even have no service to offer you. Besides, you could cop a mixtape or cop some merch or something and just listen and pay attention. Follow me and follow what I'm doing without me showing you. You just lead, I'm leading by example. Or you could be on some Rollo, BML, Big Meech type, big Bandman Kevo. I'd rather have 10 million, don't nobody know about it. I live a safe, amazing life. Nobody know about it, and I'm good. I ain't got to worry about getting robbed. I ain't got to worry about getting extorted. I ain't got to worry about none of this shit. Or you can vlog everything and spread yourself thin. When you on so many interviews and you're talking about people and you're on OnlyFans and you on everything, your hands on. Long story short, I think Money Man don't hold his entertainment phone. He got people to do that. I think Bandman Kevo got his phone in his hand right now trying to finesse somebody. Matter of fact, all his jewelry say finesse guy, shit like that. You don't see no shit like that around Money Man. But that's the difference. But watch after I said this. You still gonna have people say, why you hating on Bandman Kevo? Why you sucking Money Man's dick? Why you all on his dick? You know how the haters are. And look, let's do a little test, you guys. Anybody that comments something gangster, some hating ass shit, they don't have a profile picture. And if they do have a profile picture, it's not of them. And if they, whatever, and they don't have no subscribers, they just a person that get online and comment gangster stuff. You don't get subscribers or get monetized for that. Become a content creator. Now, this ought to show y'all how crazy the world is. I said I'm not hating. I said I fucks with both of them, but it's just the difference. It's no different from me telling you the difference between God and the devil. God is unlimited. The devil have limitations. How can you beat that? I don't know how could y'all compare Money Man and Bandman Kevo. Don't make sense. I was just breaking it down. But for everybody that still want to comment something gangster and still ain't got no profile pictures or no subscribers, you're still doing it. This is the reason why you're broke. Because you didn't listen. You just clicked on it just to hate. You didn't want to listen. Because if you would have listened, you wouldn't have never commented. You would have went and got you some motherfucking money. I holler, man. But that's the difference. Money Man, Bandman Kevo. Money Man, Bandman Kevo. But opinion just like an asshole. Everybody has one. Y'all may be on Bandman Kevo yacht. If I had to put my life on the line, I'd go with Money Man. That's just my opinion. But like I said, man, if I offended anybody, if I made anybody mad, just as fake as this cry is, I don't give a damn. I don't give a fuck. I'll holler. Dang.